Two trendy countertop ovens, one simple, one smart. But which one actually cooks better? Let's find out. The Wonder Oven is a compact 6-in-1 air fryer and toaster oven. It aims to replace several small appliances, offering steam infusion for juicier results, perfect for everyday meals. The Chef IQ MiniOven is a larger 11-in-1 smart toaster oven and air fryer combo. It boasts app connectivity, touchscreen controls, and a broader feature set for advanced culinary adventures. The Wonder Oven offers 6 core functions: air fry, bake, toast, roast, reheat, and broil. Its unique steam infusion technology enhances moisture, making roasted meats and bread incredibly tender. It's ideal for daily cooking tasks. The Chef IQ MiniOven boasts 1 lanes cooking functions, including slow cook, dehydrate, and proof. With hundreds of presets via its touchscreen or app, it supports family-sized meals and advanced cooking techniques. For home cooks seeking broad versatility, the MiniOven excels with its extensive functions. The Wonder Oven is perfect for those prioritizing everyday simplicity and juicier results. The Wonder Oven uses a dual-speed convection fan and 360-degree air circulation for even results. Its steam infusion keeps food moist. The MiniOven features a higher temperature range, up to 500° F, and a powerful 3D200 RPM fan. App-connected presets automate cook times, delivering faster, more consistent results, especially for crispy foods. Tech enthusiasts will appreciate the MiniOven's speed and precision. The Wonder Oven performs well for daily tasks, but the MiniOven offers superior consistency and power for diverse recipes. The Wonder Oven features intuitive manual knob controls, making it incredibly simple for less tech-savvy users. There's no app connectivity or digital interface, ensuring a straightforward experience. If you're in Canada, check the links below. One of these is often on sale. The MiniOven offers a sleek touchscreen with haptic feedback and Wi-Fi app control for remote monitoring. Built-in rack indicator lights and smart alerts guide you, perfect for tech-savvy home cooks. If you prefer simplicity, the Wonder Oven is a clear winner. For those who love smart features and precise control, the MiniOven's advanced interface is a game-changer. The Wonder Oven's smaller interior and fewer digital parts make cleaning straightforward. However, its trays require hand washing as they are not dishwasher safe. The MiniOven has a larger cavity and more accessories, meaning more cleaning tasks. Yet, its removable trays and crumb catches simplify the process, making it manageable for busy families. The Wonder Oven is typically more affordable, replacing multiple appliances to save counter space and cost. It's an excellent choice for everyday cooking without a large family. The MiniOven's higher price reflects its advanced tech, app integration, and larger capacity. It's a true all-in-one smart kitchen hub, ideal for frequent cooks or larger families seeking maximum versatility. Choosing between these two depends on your kitchen habits and tech comfort. If you're a home cook seeking a simple, space-saving 6-in-1 appliance with manual controls, the Wonder Oven is your perfect match. However, if you're a tech enthusiast or a small family needing smart controls, app connectivity, and advanced features for diverse cooking, the Chef IQ MiniOven offers unparalleled versatility. Ready to upgrade your kitchen? Click the links below to explore more details and make the best purchase decision for your home. New Canada-friendly reviews every week. Subscribe so you don't miss the next one.